Okay, so in this subject, guys, I'm with one of my students, and uh, he and I'm looking at his screen right now. These campaigns have been created by me on his Google Ads account, and I just wanted to record this quick testimonial video while we are on a live mentorship call, because I provide live one-on-one mentorship, plus I create these campaigns for my students. And um, so so I want to refresh this screen. um, so this was an upsell, right, my friend?
Yeah, one upsell and one sale.
One upsell and one sale. So overall, this is like you receive $260 this week, another 166 this week. And can you tell me, uh, did you calculate your ad spend so far?
Yes,
How much is it?
it's around 15,000, 15 to
Indian
18,
rupees,
8, yeah,
15,000,
15,000, yeah, spend, and around 18,000 including of taxes.
including taxes. So let's say if I take 18,000 here, 18,000 here, so you've spent around $235 in total since we started the campaign, and you made around 260 plus 48,
$450.
$450 in total. Okay, so 48 plus 166 plus 166. Okay,
74.
that's $474, and you've spent 235. So now this is getting pushed into profit, which is great. So thank you for giving me this testimonial. And are you enjoying how we are doing everything?
Yes, definitely, it's a very good
Mentorship.
results which we are having.
Mhm. And why do you think this is very good? My coaching is very good.
And it's because the, I mean, I'm around 100% profit right now with the ad spend, and the time you spend with your students, like you do it everything you buy personally, and you give a lot of importance to the success of the students.
So this includes done for you campaigns, done for you landing pages, right?
Yes, and
And done for you
entire
creative
setup.
on your workstation.
Yeah, it's the total setup done by you in this campaign. I can say the landing page, the ad account setup, and everything. Totally, it was
Okay.
done. Yeah.
Okay. So I'll just refresh this screen so that everybody sees that this is a real account. Okay. Twice. So, okay. Thank you for giving me this quick testimonial. Yeah. Appreciate your giving me this.